Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean my makeup brushes. So if you want to see how I do that, then please keep watching. So before we get started, I have a few things laid out that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using Dawn soap. You can use any antibacterial soap or even shampoo. I'm going to be using extra virgin olive oil. You could use any type of olive oil. This is just going to help break down the makeup as well as condition your brushes. And then a bowl or container, whatever you have. And I'm going to be using a Lego. I've used this for quite a while now. I prefer the bigger Legos, but I did steal this from my niece, so I was considerate enough to get the smaller Lego. But if you have a kid in your family, you could get this for free. I know that they do sell mats, however, at Sephora and Ulta, and even on Amazon, that's probably the cheaper way to go. But if you have a kid in your family, you could honestly steal one of their smaller Legos. They wouldn't even notice. So I got this for free. So I'm gonna be taking olive oil. I don't measure it. Then I'm gonna wanna put in a little more soap than olive oil, or about the same amount. That's good. So I'm gonna be using my foundation brush first. As you can see, it does have foundation on there. So I'm gonna take that into the mixture, swirl it around. There we go. I'm going to be taking my Lego and my big foundation brush, and I'm just gonna keep swirling it around the Lego to get all of that foundation out. You can see it's already working. Now I'm gonna take some water and just clean the Lego off. I'm gonna put warm water. All right. There you have it, clean brush. So next up, I'm gonna be cleaning this powder brush. So the ends are supposed to be white, but as you can see, they are not. So I'm gonna dip it into the mixture, take my Lego, and swirl this around. There you have it. All clear. Now, my beauty sponge, which you can see is definitely not pink anymore, not fully pink at least. So I'm gonna dip this into the mixture. See that, look at that. Yuck. And there you have it, a clean beauty blender. So here you have it, you guys. This is all of my clean makeup brushes. I am so happy, finally got this done. I am still so amazed with how clean this beauty sponge is. I mean, I knew it was gonna be clean, but it's just so crazy. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from me, please hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean my makeup brushes. So if you want, Andrew! So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean my makeup brushes.
Good.
You look really pale.
It's all the light. You need a tanning filter. You want to get on there and see? Look at you. We out.